Equals, does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. Home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo IdeaPad Gaming 3. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your home, carry out a free diagnosis and send you a quote before carrying out any repairs. No phone calls, no travel required. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Lenovo IdeaPad Gaming 3 is running slowly or struggling to keep up with your gaming needs, it may be due to insufficient RAM. This can lead to lagging, freezing, and an overall frustrating experience. If not addressed, it can hinder your performance and enjoyment. To perform the RAM upgrade, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and the new RAM modules compatible with your device. First, ensure your laptop is powered off and unplugged. Open the device by removing the screws on the back panel using the Phillips screwdriver. Carefully lift the panel off, taking care not to damage any clips. Locate the RAM slots, they are typically near the center of the motherboard. If you see existing RAM modules, gently push the clips on either side to release them. Take your new RAM modules and align them with the slots, ensuring the notch on the module matches the key in the slot. Firmly press down until the clips click into place. Be cautious not to touch the gold connectors to avoid static damage. Once the new RAM is installed, replace the back panel and secure it with the screws. Power on your device and check the system properties to ensure the new RAM is recognized. If at this point it feels too complex, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your home and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from recurring, consider monitoring your RAM usage and closing unnecessary applications while gaming. Regularly updating your system can also help optimize performance. If you don't want to risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect it, repair it and deliver it back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. Home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.